Here are 3 reasons you need to try this anti-snoring device. Number 1, the soft medical grade material makes it comfortable to wear all night while you're sleeping without a custom fitting. Number 2, Z-Quiet is prescription free, which means no doctor visits and no expensive sleep studies. And finally, number 3, Z-Quiet is the only anti-snoring device that attacks snoring at your root cause, which is the soft tissue falling back in your throat, obstructing the airway. And I have to say, ever since trying Z-Quiet, I have never slept better and my snoring has stopped altogether, which means I'm way more restful and alert during the day. And plus, my blood pressure is finally back at a normal and healthy range.